Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidelis Homeopathy. As we are now discussing about hysterectomy, let us discuss about the contraindications of hysterectomy as we have already discussed the conditions before. If you're someone who is suffering from fibroids and if you're having very large uterus because of a very large fibroid, then it might be a contraindication for vaginal hysterectomy, but an abdominal hysterectomy can be performed. Second one, prior pelvic surgeries. If you're having prior pelvic surgeries, then abdominal hysterectomy might not be a call for it. Second one, suspected severe pelvic adhesions. If you're someone who's suffering from adhesion, which means it is just like, if you're having infection after a surgery or because of any sort of conditions, you can see that all the organs are plastered together inside the body. So that is called as an adhesion. If you're someone who's suffering from that, then abdominal hysterectomy might be really tough to perform. If you're someone who's suffering from uterine malignancy, cervical malignancy, or endometrial malignancy, or ovarian malignancy, then just not hysterectomy, then bilateral salpingo-oophorectomy should be performed depending upon the condition. And then lack of uterine descent and morbid obesity. What do you mean by morbid obesity? If someone who is too obese, then abdominal hysterectomy might be tough to perform. Apart from that, if there is no lack of uterine descent, if the uterus is not contracting properly, if it is not moving properly, then vaginal hysterectomy is very hard to perform. And then if you're having pelvic radiation prior to hysterectomy because of any sort of other malignancies, because your organs are already fragile, it will be hard to perform abdominal hysterectomy. Apart from pelvic radiation, if you're having any sort of advanced malignancies also, you might have to remove the whole set of a female reproductive organ in order to preserve the body. So these are some of the contraindications for hysterectomy to be performed. Someone who is suffering from fibroids or adenomyosis or endometriosis, dysmenorrhea, polycystic ovaries or ovarian cysts, or any female reproductive organ diseases, remember that Fidelis Homeopathy is the answer. Here we have two types of consultations. If you are someone who is staying very near the nearest branch of Fidelis, you can come and contact us in person and take doctor consultation. If you are someone who is staying very far away from us, you can take online consultation. In online consultation, we have audio consultation option as well as video consultation option here. And after the doctor consultation, if you need any sort of investigations, we will be asking you, and if you already have done the investigations, you can share it with us. After taking your case and after evaluating your investigations, especially for online clients, we will be delivering you our medicines to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. Anywhere else across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, ping us a message. If you want to know more about Fidelis Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidelis.com. If you're someone who's suffering from fibroids, endometriosis, adenomyosis, dysmenorrhea, ovarian cyst or polycystic ovaries, or any other female reproductive organ diseases like even infertility, why should you choose Fidelis Homeopathy? Fidelis Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we strictly follow 3 principles. First one is our highest success rate. We are having good success rate in already treating all of these female reproductive organ diseases. Second is a transparent treatment. There is no gray area between the patient and the doctor. Here we will be discussing you in detail about your prognosis. And the third one is personal care. Personal care here at Fidelis is top notch because we will be answering you and educating you on all your queries. If you want to choose health, if you want to choose cure for your diseases, choose Fidelis Homeopathy. Thank you.